We're affectionately known as PIG. That's a team-generated term. And the PIG team has a handful of responsibilities, but primarily when a new client signs on, a team is created to work with that client to facilitate the implementation of the Rockport platform. So we work with clients to understand their requirements, their system needs, their day-to-day, and map that to the features of the Rockport platform. A lot of the folks on the team have spent a lot of time in the industry, so we can kind of speak both languages. We understand the commercial real estate finance. We also understand the tech and how to marry the two to deliver a proper solution for our clients. The engagement there throughout the implementation it's fun. And that can be anything from customized reporting, that can be custom Excel integrations and the like, but ultimately making sure that we minimize the overall change management from a client that maybe doesn't have a system or doesn't have a system like Rockport anyway today, to evolve their process to leverage technology in a way that is minimally invasive and not impactful to their day-to-day. So once a client's implemented and live in production, the big team doesn't go away. We stay in constant contact with the clients to make sure that the new software is kind of working as they expected, and to make sure that we've got a good understanding of how their business needs are evolving and how we need to better adapt the process and the technology to kind of support their needs. One of the great things about being in touch and kind of constant client interactions is we'll make sure that they have a voice in the product committee. And so they're steering the roadmap with what they need on a granular level, and also where the industry has different needs. So it allows for us to have a little bit more tailored product going forward and continue to maintain the excellence that our clients expect.